Hey, this is Sautul Mehta and welcome to my YouTube channel code2cash.in. In this video, we'll have a look at how we can control the columns visible on configurator page in Salesforce CPQ. So here is an example we are having. We have a bundle product that is car, and this car is having multiple options. Those are grouped with the features. So here if we see for variant feature, we are having 4 options. For extras, we have emergency kit. For engine type, we have petrol or diesel engine. For transmission type, we have either auto or manual transmission and all others. So here for all the features, if we see, we have 4 columns visible. So those are product code, product name, quantity and unit price. And let's say we want to add one new column over here, then that could be controlled from the product option object. Under this product option object, we have field sets, and under these field sets we have this field set that is option configuration. So let's go to this field set, and the fields we are having under this field set is product code, product name, quantity and unit price. Those are visible as columns on our configurator page. So now let's try to add one new field over here, that is product description after product name, and let's save it and let's try to refresh this page. So now if we see here on the option configuration field set, we have the sequence like product code, product name, product description, quantity and unit price. This same sequence will be there for the columns on our configurator page. So let's go back to this page. We would be having the code line editor page, and from there we can go to the configurator page by clicking on the configuration icon. So let's click on the configuration icon, the range icon we are having, and here if we see, now we are having this new column that is product description visible on our configurator page. So this is how we can control the columns visible on our configurator page. Now particular feature could have its own custom field set. For an example, if we go here for extended warranty, if we see, we are having different columns visible over here, right? And that could be configured from this particular feature, that is the extended warranty feature. Under this feature we can add the configuration field set, right? And if we go to this configuration field set, this is available on product option, and if we go to this particular field set on this object car extended warranty, there we are having these fields, and those are visible as columns over configurator page. Thank you.